Hi, if you like our YouTube channel, please check and see the amazing discounts that we offer to health and wellness products in our partner shop. You will have instant access to over 35,000 products. Link in the description. Thank you so much. And
Now Foods, Ellyndale Naturals, Quinoa Cups, Organic Quinoa, 2 ounces, 57 grams. You can buy now this product at the best price, with worldwide delivery, by clicking the link in the description. Product Overview Description: Quinoa in a cup. Good source of protein and fiber with a hint of sea salt, ready in 5 minutes, vegan certified, gluten-free, non-GMO. Everyone knows that quinoa is a wholesome, protein-packed grain full of nutrition. But who knew it could taste this good and be easy to make? We take the goodness of naturally gluten-free organic quinoa and add just a touch of sea salt for a delicious snack or meal that you won't believe came out of a cup. Suggested use: boiling water. Directions: remove cover and discard film. Add half cup of boiling water to fill line. Stir, cover with lid, and steep for 5 minutes. Stir and enjoy. Microwave directions: remove cover and discard film. Add half cup of water to fill line. Microwave on high for 60 seconds. Stir, cover with lid, and steep for 5 minutes. Stir and enjoy. Other ingredients: organic quinoa and sea salt. Packaged in the USA in a dedicated gluten-free facility. Certified organic by Kiwi. Warnings. Caution: cup and contents may be hot. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.